Say this to attract whatever you want. This is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com, and what I'm about to share with you, I believe, is one of the most powerful mantras you could ever use to attract the things that you truly want into your life. So say what I'm about to tell you, and you can attract whatever you want. Let's dive right into this video. Okay, before we get into the video, if you haven't yet, right there down below is my free success hypnosis. I created a success hypnosis a few years ago to reprogram my subconscious mind, and I started getting these amazing results. So when I made this YouTube channel, I put it up on the internet, and people started getting crazy results. I never would have imagined that in about 2 years, 600,000 people from all over the world would use it. It's totally free, and it's going to brainwash you for prosperity, for success, to achieve your goals, because our world has conditioned you for limitation to not have what you want. It's right there down below. It's free, jakeshypnosis.com, right there down below. Now let's go right into the video. So think about this. There is a miraculous consciousness or intelligence that is in this universe that has created everything. Everything from allowing you to go from a tiny protoplasm to growing into a full body. All of your organs work on their own. You don't have to expend any energy towards it. Your heart beats. The universe is perfect. There really is a miracle presence, and it's in everything. It's in every cell of your body. One of the biggest ways people stop themselves from attracting what they want is their mantra, because you always have a mantra. You're always saying something. Psychologists say we have 65,000 thoughts in a day. You have 65,000 thoughts every day. You're probably only aware of a handful of them because the majority of them are subconscious. They're habitual, right? We're not aware of all of our habits. Why? Because they're habits. They're in the unconscious mind. They're built into us like a robot. Well, we have 65,000 thoughts. They're habitual, they're robotic, and they're programmed from society, so we actually often block what we truly want because we believe in our own limitations. We believe we are as intelligent as our tax returns say how much money we make, or how much money is in our bank account, or how well we did in school, or what the teachers or the doctors said about our intelligence level, or what our parents or our guardians or the adults around us accomplished in life. So we think we can accomplish a similar level. Like, we don't really think we're capable of that much, and we have reasons we think are so logical why we can't do it. Say this with me. The miracle working presence flows to and through me, accomplishing all my desires. Say that. The miracle working presence flows to and through me, accomplishing all my desires. The miracle working presence flows to you at all times. There is a lot of energy that you cannot see. This reality that we say, well, this is reality. All that energy stuff is silly. This reality is called visible light. It's a bandwidth of energy. There's a bunch of energy that you cannot see. Well, this universal energy is flowing to you at all times. It's instilling you, it's blessing you with consciousness and using your mental faculties of rational thinking, of imagination, of will. You're able to take consciousness and form your own thoughts, your own ideas, your own pictures, your own mental images, and you can hold the images of things that do not exist in the physical plane, that only exist in the mental or spiritual realms, and you can create them in the physical realm. It's just that most people are habitually thinking about what they do not want over and over and over again. This miracle working presence flows to and through you. It's in every cell of your body. In essence, it is you. And it's flowing to and through you, accomplishing all your desires. Don't you think, if it could grow your fingernails, if it could beat your heart perfectly, don't you think it could probably help you make the money you want or attract true love. Don't you think if it could do that, I'm sure it could help you with your goals. That's very easy compared to what the things that this miracle working presence is doing every single day. So comment down below, the miracle working presence flows to and through me. Comment down below, the miracle working presence flows to and through me. See, when you start to say this statement, this mantra, you start to activate dormant energies. There's so many energies that are available to your deeper levels of your conscious. They're trapped in your unconscious that we could tap into, but we don't. Because we're so identified with the world of form. We're so identified with our limitations. We're so identified with our story. We're so identified with our past. We're so identified with what other people think of us. We're so identified with the fear of failure that we live at a very small bandwidth. Like, it's almost like the tip of the iceberg analogy. You only see the tip of the iceberg. Well, there's a whole lot of power within you don't even know exists that occasionally you tap into. When you hit that flow state, right? And you have a great day at church, a great day at yoga, a great day at the gym. Like I've been having a lot of them lately because I changed up my routine in the morning. And the first thing I do now is I wake up, drink a bunch of water, and then I head out to the beach right away. And I swim, and I just swim, and I have a swim cap, and I have some nice goggles, and I have a UV protection body cover, and I swim for like an hour and a half, and I get such a good workout. I see sea turtles. I see all types of fish. It's crystal clear water. Nobody's out there because it's early in the morning. It's like the coolest thing in the world. And I leave and I'm just in a total flow state. I feel so connected to God. I feel so connected to my potential, my power, to the good things in life. It seems like I'm able to think so clearly. I'm able to be so focused. It's like everything just seems to go my way after that. And I'm sure you've had a time like that in your life. Well, the truth is, if you say this statement, what you're doing is reminding yourself that this miracle working presence is always available to you. It's not separate from you. It's not a distant memory of the past. It's not a relic of the past. There's not 9 million steps you need to follow in order to tap into it. You just have to become aware of it. This conscious intelligence of the universe, it is awareness itself. It is conscious intelligence. It is consciousness itself. And if it is consciousness, then if you become aware of it, it will directly and proportionally respond back to you. It's like a mirror. It's a quantum field that contains all potential possibilities, all realities. Things can show up quickly in your life, but you have to start to become aware of and proclaim this miracle working presence. You surrender your own mind to a higher energy, to a higher order of the universe, which opens the door for miracles. It opens the door for things that haven't happened before. It opens the door to the unknown, for you to be blessed beyond measure, for life to feel like it's truly on your side in the biggest way that you could ever imagine, and then more. So say it. So comment down below. The miracle working presence works to and through me. And if you want, you could add the latter part, accomplishing all my desires. When you really get away from the string of words that I just said, and you enter the spirit of what I'm saying, and you really tap into the essence, like you feel it. You get away from the words and you feel the energy behind it. You know, you find a beautiful song, right? Like I just found a really beautiful song. It's by a guy named Mike Posner, and it's called Slow It Down. And I loved it. I just found it 3 days ago, and I've listened to it. I probably listened to it like 30 or 40 times every day since I found it. I just play it on repeat over and over and over while I drive, while I'm working. I repeat the song over and over. And I feel like I've really entered the spirit of it. It's just a really beautiful song. I really love it. It makes me feel really good. I've entered the spirit of the song. I can feel the essence of what the artist was communicating. You can do the same thing. You can enter the spirit of these words. You can enter into communion, into alignment with the miracle working presence of the universe, because it's always available to you. It is always flowing to and through you. It's just whether or not you're aware of it or not. So say it with me. The miracle working presence flows to and through me, accomplishing all my desires. Comment that down below. I am excited. Comment down below. I am excited. This is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com, reminding you to repeat this over and over and over again. The miracle working presence of the universe flows to and through me, accomplishing all my desires. Feel it, because that feeling is what's going to guide you. That's what's going to propel you out of your mind, out of your limitations, all into a new level of vibration, a new level of energy, a new level of consciousness, into new experiencing, shifting your reality into more and more and more amazing things. So say it. The miracle working presence of the universe flows to and through me. You're about to be blessed with a fantastic day. Something great is headed your way. Affirm it. Life is beautiful. The universe is friendly. Great things are on the way. I am a blessed human being. I'm one with the universe. I am one with God. God's presence blesses my life in avalanches of abundance. Those are the great things that are in store for you today. So here's what I want you to do. Right there down below is my success hypnosis, jakeshypnosis.com. It's right there down below. Go ahead and start listening to that. Like when you're in the shower. I've been doing this for years. I think it's one of the best life hacks. You know, the shower is when you kind of drift off and get spacey, so that the subconscious becomes activated. Well, why not reprogram your subconscious while you're in the shower? Do it while you stretch, do it while you cook, do it while you're walking around the house. It's right there down below. It's jakeshypnosis.com, right there down below. That's jakeshypnosis.com, right there down below. You'll see it pinned to the comments. Then hit the like button. I think it's over there, or maybe 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 it's right here. I don't know where it is. But hit the good old like button on this video. It's what's going to send it out in the YouTube universe. You know, obviously I make these videos for free every day. You could do me a huge favor and return the blessing by just simply hitting the like button, because it sends it out to more people, and this whole channel is about uplifting the consciousness of humanity. So every time you hit like, it sends it out to more people, and you join this movement of awakening humanity to their true potential and their true power. So hit the like button on this video right over there, and then subscribe and bell notification right over there. The bell notification is what notifies you for new videos, even if you're already subscribed. Just double check. Have you actually hit the bell notification? I don't know. Have you? It's right over there on the side. Hit the bell notification. Comment down below, I love life. Comment down below, I love life. Have a fantastic day. Remember, the miracle working presence of the universe flows to and through you. The miracle working presence flows to and through you.